Join me as I challenge myself to learn how to dance with confidence while having a girl by my side. In this video, you'll learn how to dance confidently with a partner, breaking down barriers and enhancing your enjoyment of dancing together. Many people feel intimidated or self-conscious when dancing, especially in front of someone they like. This fear of judgment can make it difficult to relax and enjoy the experience. It's common to worry about looking silly or not being a good enough dancer. Maybe you found yourself avoiding certain social situations or feeling anxious when someone asked you to dance. But what if I told you that it's possible to overcome these fears and dance with confidence? Dancing with a partner can be intimidating because it requires vulnerability. You're putting yourself out there, and it can be scary to open up and be vulnerable in front of someone else. But the truth is, your partner is probably feeling just as nervous as you are. They're likely more focused on their own insecurities than judging you. So, take a deep breath and remember that you're in this together. When we're feeling self-conscious, our bodies tend to tense up, making it even harder to move freely. Our minds start racing, and we overthink every step. But what if we could flip that script and focus on having fun instead? What if we could learn to dance in a way that feels natural and enjoyable, rather than worrying about what others think? To get started, let's talk about some common misconceptions about dancing with a partner. One of the biggest myths is that you need to be a great dancer to dance with someone else. But the truth is, anyone can learn to dance with a partner, regardless of their skill level. It's not about being a perfect dancer. It's about having fun and enjoying the experience with someone you care about. We'll explore tips and techniques to help you feel more at ease on the dance floor, including body language, music selection, and simple dance moves that anyone can master. One of the most important things to remember is to relax and breathe. When we're tense, our bodies feel stiff and awkward, making it harder to move naturally. So, take a deep breath, let your shoulders drop, and let your body move freely. Another key element is connection. Dancing with a partner is all about connection and communication. It's not just about following steps. It's about being present in the moment and connecting with the person you're dancing with. This can feel intimidating, but it's also what makes dancing with a partner so rewarding. When you're able to connect with someone on the dance floor, it can create a deeper sense of intimacy and trust. Music selection is also crucial. Choose a song that you both enjoy, and that has a tempo that feels comfortable for you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different genres and styles until you find what works best for you. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Dancing is all about having fun,